Oh hey! Yate, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm petting it or I'm touching it. To say that in Navajo, you'd say, Bídíshnih, Bídíshnih. I'm petting it, I'm touching it, like it was a couch, if it was fabric, or if it was a baby's face. Bídíshnih. Now keep in mind, this word has two I's with a high tone. The last one doesn't. Bídíshnih, Bídíshnih. If you flip it around and say Bídíshnih, it means I'm telling him or her. So you have to say this word correctly. Bídíshnih. To say I'm petting the dog, you'd say Tlecha'e Bídíshnih, Tlecha'e Bídíshnih. To say touching my mom's hand, her hand is soft, you'd say Shamabala Bídíshniko Toyil Jolaye. Shamabala Bídíshniko Toyil Jolaye. To say pet the dog, a command, we say Tlecha'e Bídilne, Tlecha'e Bídilne. To say wipe the window, you can say Tseso Bídilniko and Od. Tseso Bídilneho and Od. To say Ty is lovingly petting the dog, we say Ty Tlecha'e Ayoyo no Yidilne. Ty Tlecha'e Ayoyo no Yidilne. And that is today's Navajo word of the day, Bídíshnih. I'm petting it or I'm touching it. Have a nice day. Nijun na good ne